Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best vinyl cutting machines that are available on the market for their true quality.
My personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Cricut Maker Smart Cutting Machine. This vinyl cutter from Cricut is one of my favorites. I can't see where I would be right now if I did not buy one. It is possible to get a product that can change your life for the better. But the sad thing is that sometimes we don't even know it until the day we do things differently. I started doing a lot of home-based DIY projects, and at first, I used to cut out the materials for myself. To say the least, I was terrible at it. Worst of all, I couldn't use some of the materials I wanted because my scissors couldn't handle them or I would take forever to get it done. The Cricut vinyl cutting machine changed all that for me. It has completely simplified everything. The digital sewing patterns one can choose from are in hundreds. It has powerful blade scoring tools and pens and can also cut through any fabric. Moving on at number 4, we have the US Cutter MH871 sign making kit. This vinyl cutter machine has a pair of pinch rollers that can be fully adjusted. This means that you will be able to use an extensive range of materials. My friend had this as his first vinyl cutter machine, and he said it was an economical buy. His justification was based on the fact that the vinyl cutter had a blade holder that was Roland compatible. This allowed him access to the most affordable, yet quality blades available. It also has a dual roller media system which has a superior ball bearing. At number 3, we have the Cricut Explore 1 cutting machine. When I was thinking about starting out, I went to our local gift shop and decided to ask the owner some questions. I still go there to date to ask for advice, or to ask for his opinion regarding my designs. He has this particular vinyl cutting Cricut model since it let him use apps which are cloud-based on designing using his iPhone or iPad, whenever he is not near his PC. However, to cut wirelessly, he had to buy and add the wireless Bluetooth adapter separately. The main similarity it has with the Cricut vinyl cutting machine we mentioned earlier is the fact that you could also upload your images and cut them for free. At number 2, we have the Silhouette Portrait 3 electronic cutting tool. I also came across this best vinyl cutting machine at my brother-in-law's. It can cut heat transfer material, cardstock, fabric, transparencies, paper, vellum, adhesive vinyl, and magnet paper. When you purchase it, you will get free software that is compatible with both Mac and PC. He said that when he bought it, he also got a download card worth $10 included. Those bonuses seem worthwhile, considering the value they are worth. And finally at number 1, we have the Cricut Explore Air 2, a DIY cutting machine. Cricut vinyl cutting machines are just the best when it comes to custom personalized home decor, unique greeting cards, custom designed apparel, vinyl stickers and more. This model has what we call a smart set dial. This ensures that regardless of the material, the machine will be able to cut at the correct pressure and depth. My friend has his model, and he has no regrets whatsoever. You simply can't go wrong with Cricut.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.